Time for me to go to the airport. Oh, wait. Okay. Let me check. Yes, they're still here. Where's my pet horse? Oh, there he is. My pet horse. Okay. Come on, you gotta stay home. I'm going to airport. You hear me, my horse? Oh, Jesus. What was that?
Bro, I don't know what I'm freaking the box of. No, I think it's good. I already have a freaking rainbow and fire love box. Yeah, I have rainbow. Are you ready?
Well, Mom's gonna chase me. Yes. I'm almost there. Good to say.
Okay, got it.
Outside airport. I was funny. Okay.
How many missions do you have? 1,000. I told you. I want 50 here.
The ticket.
Oh, you got to do Christian. What's in the Christian? Let's go. How'd you get
Air.
How'd you get that
Air. Okay.
How'd you get it though? A chat. Bro, why am I like you? How do we still have 35?
Okay.
The one, not toothbrush skin.
Okay. Oh. The airport? Yeah, I'm going at the airport. I will sit there just cool. Okay, part 2.